Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting Math Olympiad problem in which we have to find the value of a. We are given an equation 36 raised to power 1 by a plus 24 raised to power 1 by a equals to 16 raised to power 1 by a. So divide the whole equation by 36 raised to power 1 by a. So we get 36 raised to power 1 by a divided by 36 raised to power 1 by a plus 24 raised to power 1 by a divided by 36 raised to power 1 by a equals to 16 raised to power 1 by a divided by 36 raised to power 1 by a. So this first term will get cancelled out and we get 1 plus 24 raised to power 1 by a divided by 36 raised to power 1 by a equals to 16 raised to power 1 by a divided by 36 raised to power 1 by a. And we know that a raised to power c divided by b raised to power c can be written as a by b raised to power c. So our equation will become 1 plus 24 over 36 raised to power 1 by a equals to 16 by 36 raised to power 1 by a. So on solving this we get 1 plus 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a equals to 4 by 9 raised to power 1 by a. This can be further written as 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a equals to 2 by 3 square bracket 1 by a. Also, we know that a raised to power m bracket n can be written as a raised to power m times n equals to a raised to power n bracket n. So our equation can be written as 1 plus 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a equals to 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a bracket 2. So let m equals to 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a. So our equation will become 1 plus m equals to m square. So this can be written as further m square minus m minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can find the value of m by applying the quadratic formula, which states that if a equation can be written as a x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then x will be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So m equals to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 divided by 2 times 1. So on solving this, we get m equals to 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. So here we get two values of m. One is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 and second is 1 minus root 5 divided by 2, which is a negative number, and we will reject this because we have assumed that m equals to 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a, which is a positive number. So we will ignore this value. So we have one value of m, which is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. and also is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a. Now take log on both sides. We get log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 equals to log 2 by 3 raised to power 1 by a, and we know that log a raised to power b can be written as b log a. So our equation will become log 1 plus root 5 by 2 equals to 1 by a log 2 by 3. Now divide this whole equation by log 2 by 3. We get log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 over log 2 by 3 equals to 1 by a log 2 by 3 divided by log 2 by 3. This will get cancelled out and we get 1 by a equals to log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 over log 2 by 3. On cross multiply, we get a equals to log 2 by 3 over log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Also, we know log m over n equals to log m minus log n. So, a equals to log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2. Now substitute the values of respective logs. We get log 2 equals to 0.01 minus log 3 equals to 0.47 over log 1 plus root 5 equals to 0.51 minus log 2 equals to 0.301. So on solving this, we get minus 0.169 over 0.21. So on solving this, we get minus 0.808. So the value of a equals to minus 0.808. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.